Hi friends, see how fun is that? No one can give a right answer of understanding. And here I do request all my friends to subscribe to the channel for more update. And let's see how fun is this. How many states are there in Northeast India?
Northeast India. State.
Please name some sister state of Northeast India.
Nagaland, Arunachal, Mizoram, Meghalaya.
Go on.
Shillong.
Nagpur. No. In English alphabet, 26 letters are there, right? May I know your name, please? Okay, your name is Razir, right? Okay. As I said, in English alphabet, there are 26 letters. R will be in which serial number? I mean, in which letter?
20. F, U, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. 18.
Please, wo haflong CM ka na. Wo di masuk में CM है ना.
DC आता है ना?
हाँ, CM का नाम बता सकेगा? क्या thousand रहा? Deposit thousand. Set.
Side.
Thank you. District ना जो what's name?
My name is Justin Khan.
Justin Khan.
Yeah.
You belong to this community?
I'm Assamese.
Assamese.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to ask you some question, okay?
Yeah, of course.
Please, can you spell psychology?
Psychology.
Okay.
PSYCHOLOGY.
Okay. Question for you.
Okay.
That is interesting one. Okay, please. What is the smallest district in Assam?
Smallest district in Assam. And she. I don't know.
Please try. What is understand?
What is understand?
Yes.
According to me, understand is something that we make people. If you would have asked like, what is understanding, right?
Understanding.
Yeah. Understanding means knowing something.
Understanding is that okay. If you stand under the table, no, that is understanding. Okay. In English alphabet, 26 letters are there, right?
Yeah.
And your name is Ilangla, right? I is in which serial number? I mean, don't need to think. Stay direct.
I think it's in 10. A B C D E F G H I N.
Hi.
Hello.
What is understand according to your idea?
Whenever we are in class, the teacher is explaining to us. They used to explain us in detail so that we may understand. So according to me, understanding is something to that.
We want to know the right answer.
Yeah.
See, do you see the table?
Yeah.
If you stand under the table, you stand under the table, that is what you understand.
Oh no.
In English alphabet, there are 26 letters. You know it, right?
Yeah.
And you should not think, okay, you should say it directly, okay, whenever I ask you the
Okay.
question. Okay. You know well that in English alphabet there are 26 letters. And your name is Tracy. Your name is F, right?
Yeah.
This will be in which serial? I mean, in which number?
And it should be 6.
6.
Yeah.
Why you can't do it? Catch him lah. Let's try. Cibole. Wah, dia kira kau terkait dragon. Dragon. Pass. Right. Ihang. Sambil gua ikan sih me. Sambil gua ikan sih me. Ya lah.
Hi bro.
Up, yes. Hello.
Hello bro.
Oh,
Can you please give the most popular YouTuber in haflong?
I remember some answers.
Okay, this one.
Ziliang Be. Yes.
Most popular one.
Right now, I became so popular with him.
Okay, next question is that what is understand?
What is under?
Understand क्या है?
मतलब सब समझाना है, दिमाग पे लगाना है. Understand मतलब है.
It's not the right answer. Go ahead. Just think.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm explaining right now. Understand means when someone told you something to do and you and somebody do correctly in the way that he or she
Okay,
instructed.
bro. Do you want to know the right answer of understanding?
Answer is that
Yeah.
if you stand under the table, that is understand. Okay.
What is the present CM of Dimahal South? हाँ जो आप लोग सीएम का CM है ना इसका नाम बता सकेगा
बता सकेगा. I know him since he is my best friend, and every day we used to go for picnic somewhere in Haflong town. But at that time we were so engaged in drinking alcohol, so I totally forget his name.
Is the largest district Assam.
So many districts. Yes, I'm thinking. I cannot pass it. No, I cannot pass it. I'm thinking right now. Karbi Anglong is big guest district. Yeah. Oh my god.